Myself, Purva Joshi, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss one more topic of Laplace transform. So let's begin with the topic, differentiation of Laplace transform. If Laplace inverse of fs is equal to f of t, then ft is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, now we will use this formula only when in the question if the function such as log, tan inverse, cot inverse is given, then only we will use this formula. Okay, so the formula to find ft is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. So f of s is given, so what we will do first, we will find its derivative f dash s. Okay, and then we will find its inverse. Okay, and then we will just multiply it by minus 1 upon t. Okay, so now let's begin with the example. Find Laplace inverse of log 1 plus omega square upon s square. Now as you can see, we have log, so we will use this formula, that is ft is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, we will use this formula. Now fs is given in the question, that is log 1 plus omega square upon s square. Okay, so first we will simplify this. So we have log now s square plus omega square upon s square. Okay, now we know log a upon b is what? Log a minus log b. So we have log s square plus omega square minus log s square. Correct? Now this log s square plus omega square we will keep as it is. Just bring this 2 over here, so we have minus 2 log s. Now we need f dash s. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll find its derivative. Okay, so derivative of log s square plus omega square is what? 1 upon s square plus omega square into, now derivative of again this bracket is what? 2s. So here we have into 2s. Okay, minus 2. Derivative of log s is what? 1 upon s. So this is our f dash s. So now what we have to do, we have to find Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, so Laplace inverse of f dash s, that this is Laplace inverse of 2s upon s square plus omega square minus 2 upon s. Okay, apply linearity property, so 2 we will take outside. Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus omega square. Okay, minus 2 again outside. Laplace inverse of 1 upon s. Now 2 as it is, Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus omega square is what? Cos omega t. Why? Because here we have s. Okay, now minus 2. Laplace inverse of 1 upon s is what? 1. Okay, 2 we can take outside. So answer is what? 2 into cos omega t minus 1. Now what is the final answer? ft is what? ft is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Now we have Laplace inverse of f dash s. Substitute over here. So minus 1 upon t into, here we have 2. So minus 2 into cos omega t minus 1. Right? So this is your final answer. Now let's solve one more example. Find Laplace inverse of tan inverse 2 upon s. Again, as we have tan inverse, okay, so we will apply this formula, that is ft is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Right? Now, again in the question fs is given, that is tan inverse 2 upon s. So now we will find its derivative. So f dash s, tan inverse 2 upon s. Now we know derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so here we have 1 upon 1 plus 2 upon s whole square, and again we have to write the derivative of 2 upon s, that is minus 2 upon s square. Okay, now just simplify this. So from here we have s square, we will take in numerator, so s square upon s square plus 4, and here we have minus 2 upon s square. Right, this s square will get cancelled. What remains is minus 2 upon s square plus 4. This is your f dash s. Now what we have to do, we have to find Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, so this is Laplace inverse of minus 2 upon s square plus 4. Okay, minus we can take outside, so minus Laplace inverse of 2 upon s square plus 4. Right, now here we have 2 and here 4 means 2 square. Okay, so a upon s square plus a square. So Laplace inverse of this is what? Minus sine 2t. Okay, now we will apply this formula. So f of t is what? Minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, now just substitute the answer. Okay, so minus minus will become plus, so your final answer is sine 2t upon t. Right, so you have to be very careful that whenever we have log, tan inverse or cot inverse, we will use this formula. Now let's solve one more example. Find Laplace inverse of cot inverse s plus 1. Okay, again we have a cot inverse, so we will use this formula. Ft is equal to minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Correct. Now again fs is given in the question, that is cot inverse s plus 1. So what is the next step is to find its derivative. Now derivative of cot inverse is what? Cot inverse x is what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so here we have minus 1 upon 1 plus s plus 1 whole square. And again derivative of s plus 1 is what? So here we have only 1. Okay, so this is minus 1 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay, this is your f dash s. Now the next step is to find Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, so Laplace inverse of minus 1 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Right, now minus we will take outside, so minus Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now to solve this, okay, what we have to do, we have to apply first shifting theorem. Okay, so now here we have s plus 1, so we have to take this plus 1 outside. Okay, so if you will take plus 1 outside, it will become minus e raised to minus t. Okay, and what remains is Laplace inverse of, just ignore this plus 1, so we have 1 upon s square plus 1. Right, now this is minus e raised to minus t. Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1 is what? Sine t. Okay, so this is your Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, now we have to substitute in this formula, that is minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of f dash s. Okay, now minus 1 upon t, and here we have minus e raised to minus t sine t. Clear? So minus minus will become plus, so what remains is e raised to minus t sine t upon t. So this is your final answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.